Hey guys, this is Dan with Gears and Gadgets. Thanks for tuning in. Coming to you in 360. This is going to be a part of a video that I'm going to publish later on a review on the Peragon Tectonic Tonneau cover. I've done a ton of these videos and I always run this water test. And in the water test, I put this 360 camera in the bed of the truck and run it so I can actually watch and see if water came in anywhere. So I thought, why not just share that whole 360 video on YouTube so you guys can look around for yourself, not through the lens of my edit. So if you're looking at this on a phone, you can actually navigate your phone and just kind of look around, or swipe the screen and look around the interior of the truck and see the water test for yourself. So I'm going to run this and I'll probably do it. See how your guys' reviews come in of this style of video. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? I'm going to run this test now. Again, this is the Peragon Tectonic Tonneau cover that I'll have a full install and review video on probably later today. Let me know what you think.